where turtles would play, lived a special little turtle named Oliver, they say. His shell stood out with cuts so grand, it was quite different from all the others in the land. The other turtle shells were oval and green, but Oliver's shell was curvy and tangerine. His parents loved him dearly and told him every day that his shell was special in every single way. But at school and in town, others didn't see the beauty in his shell and how useful it could be. Each shell had a purpose and every turtle had a dream to help their town grow and join the right team. There were teams to build homes, teams to help farm, teams to help cook, and teams to keep out harm. But Oliver was different and the town turned their backs. They teased him and laughed and made wisecracks about the way he looked and the way he would bend. So Oliver walked home wishing it would end. Sad and alone with no friends in sight, poor Oliver went to bed and cried all night. But Oliver was brave and he never lost heart. He knew he was special and that he had a special part. In the quiet small town he loved so much, he knew that his purpose would be revealed as such. So, he held on to hope and got up the next day, believing that everything would be okay. As he walked out the door, he remembered what Mama had said. "You are loved, turtle dove," and she kissed him on the head. Then a flood threatened the town, so the turtles built a dam. But they were missing a piece to help save their land. Everyone was working knee-deep in the mud. They were all bracing for the impending flood. There were no more rocks and the turtles were scared. The flood was coming and they were not prepared. But Oliver noticed that the space in the dam looked oddly familiar. So he quickly swam. He jumped into the hole and lifted his chin. And to everyone's surprise, he fit right in. Oliver's shell calmed their fears, and the town was saved and the turtles cheered. An hour later, the water ceased and the builders replaced missing piece. It was the same color as Oliver's shell, as a reminder of the hero they knew so well. The townspeople learned a lesson that day, that differences should be celebrated, not pushed away. Everyone is important, no one is worthless. We can all contribute, we all have a purpose. So if you see a turtle with a bright curvy shell, remember Oliver's story and the message it tells. It's okay to be different. To yourself, be true. And celebrate the things that make you, you.